Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today's video is about the styling tips. I'll show you 8 different fashion tips to ensure you always look stylish. So let's get started. So first one is you have to make sure that you have reliable wardrobe staples, an iconic little black dress, a pair of jeans that fits perfectly, a classic blazer, simple t-shirts and bottom downs in neutral colors, and an effortless leather jacket or denim jacket. Investing in a capsule collection of mix and match basics and learning how to style them is the key to looking put together. Another trick to making any item of clothing look amazing is to hire a good tailor. Tailored clothing not only looks polished, but it also feels more comfortable. Pants that drag on the ground and dresses that bunch up awkwardly won't make you feel stylish. If your capsule wardrobe fits you well, you can start to play with over and undersized items in a way that feels fashionable, not sloppy. And the third tip is to learn how to balance proportions. Balancing proportions is about styling your outfits to create an overall aesthetic harmony. The way you achieve this is by wearing clothes that are fitted to your body shape. When you want to play with oversized clothes or unusual shapes, make it a fashion moment by keeping the rest of the look fitted. For example, try pairing a tight crop top with wide leg jeans or a puff shoulder top with straight leg pants. Finding your personal style is another very important step. Developing a signature style can take years, but you can get started by creating a mood board. Remember that personal style is an experiment. You never know what amazing looks awaits you until you are in dressing room. The categories men's wears and women's wears shouldn't dictate how you shop. Take time to play with colors and shapes to find what looks great on your unique body. This fifth tip is very important to become a better shopper. Learning how to shop for exactly what you want will help you avoid filling your closet full of items you never wear. When your wardrobe consists of pieces that you love, styling an outfit will become second nature. The sixth tip is adding a belt to your look is one of the easiest way to make any outfit look more put together. It's also a great trick for bringing balance to a look that otherwise might not work, like a long cashmere sweater and a billowy midi skirt. This seventh tip needs more creativity because you need to play with colors. If you are nervous about adding colors to your look, start with just one colorful piece and keep the rest of your look neutral. As you get more comfortable with colors, you will learn which color combinations work best for your style. Take a look at a color wheel for inspiration. And the last but not the least tip is mix patterns and textures. The days of matching your handbag to your shoes are over. Clashing textures and prints make a bold fashion statement. Start small with neutral patterns like strips and low-key textures like leather and knits, adding in a sequins and paisleys in small amounts like a scarf, tie or clutch until you learn what works for you. So now you can become your own master stylist with these few small reliable tips. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.